it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to start out by saying Happy New Year to everybody. I have been a little MIA. My son had to have surgery, and he was in the hospital for a week. He's doing really good. I forgot to wish everybody Happy New Year. I spent the New Year sleeping on the pull-out chair in his room. So he came home yesterday, and he's doing really good. So today's Sunday the 8th, I think. I don't even know what day it is, but he came home. I've got 3 boxes of unboxing, and I say I'm glad to see 2022 go, because this has been that was definitely a year, and I have lots planned for 2023. I hope we're all blessed with very good years. And so anyway, here it is. Let me get this out. I'm so excited. Can I say I've missed my beads? I know that sounds funny to say, but let me make sure my lighting is here. Make sure everything is good before I start. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the bargain bead box for January 2023, Midnight Skies. Inspired by starry winter nights, this eclectic palette mixes a variety of blues with the subtle glow of labradorite, electroplated agate, check glass stars, crystal accents, and bold glass barrel beads, combined with a set of high-quality stainless steel and pewter findings and classic celestial shapes to complete your collection. Okay, so this is it. And for those of you that don't know about the bargain bead box, I will leave the link below. Okay, so we have blue here. Okay. So let's see. Oh, some cool oh, look at that. That's different. Oh, some cute pieces in here. Okay. Little moons. Oh. Definitely different from what we normally get from them. So let me get set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so number 1 is 1 meter of 3mm steel Rolo jewelry chain. And you can never have too much chain. This is nice. Even if you don't end up using it, it's great for your stash. So this is number 1. Number 2 is 40 pieces of 7.5mm star bead caps. These are nice. That's the back, and that's the front. Very nice. Number 3 is a 2-piece 23mm stainless steel moon phase cutout coin pendants. These are nice. So they have a hole right up there. You can use these as pendants. You could make earrings out of these. They're the same on both sides. Very cool. It gives you a lot of different options with these. Number 4 is 5-piece 11.5mm starburst pattern glass cylinder beads. These are different. I don't think we've ever got anything like these before. Very cool. That's the edges. Very pretty. Okay, and number 5 is a 10-piece 15.5 by 20mm round with moon and star links. These are really cool. They're the same on both sides, it looks like. So these are connectors. Imagine the possibilities. You could do like a double earring, double dangle earring with a bead in between, or just connect those, have a bead there, or you could do 3, you know. There's a lot you could do with these, or just use these in a necklace. Yeah, very pretty. Number 6 is 10-piece 8mm frosted pressed glass star beads in crystal AB. It's very pretty. Yeah, so the hole goes through the top of the star like that, and down I like this box. It's definitely a little different from the other ones. Very pretty. And number 7 is 3 sets of 18 by 25 millimeter rounded square toggle clasps. These are cool. A different shape to them. I like this. You know, when you get toggle clasps that, you know, have a unique shape to them like this, you can use them in the front too. You can have it where, you know, you have the necklace attached to that, you know, the bar end of it, and it comes around, and then it hooks it in the front, and then you can have dangles there. Maybe I'll do something like that with this. Very pretty. Number 8 is approximately 10-inch strand of 6 millimeter English cut crystal beads in steel blue. It's very pretty. Very sparkly. Yeah, love these. The English cut ones are so pretty too because they have more of a reflection on them. Number 9 is 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter moonstone glass round beads in a soft blue. I call these mermaid beads, but very pretty. See a lot of the, got a beautiful reflection in them. Number 10 is a 10-gram bag of 5 millimeter star spacer beads. So the hole goes in through the top right there, so they can hang like that. It will stand up straight. These are really cool. Love these. And 11 is a 4-piece 12 millimeter stainless steel crescent moon cutout round links. So these are cool. These are connector links. These would be cool for earrings too. That'd be like the top, some dangle earrings. Getting some really good ideas from this box. Very pretty. Number 12 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter Druzy agate electroplated round beads. These are pretty. You can see that. You see that in there? That little bit of... Very pretty. Number 13 is approximately 8-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondo beads in a deep blue mix. Oh, these are pretty. Look how sparkly these are. It's nice. I mean, you could even, you have enough to make yourself a bracelet just out of this if you wanted to. Put some bead caps in between, or lots you can do with these. So pretty. And number 14 is a 38 by 30 millimeter antique silver brass crescent pendant with labradorite oval. It's got a bale at the top. Very pretty. Not sure of the quality of the labradorite, but it is pretty. I mean, I definitely would like order something like this if it was, you know, if I was shopping. Very pretty. Number 15 is a 22 millimeter curved forest moonling pewter plated with tie fine silver. So that's the other end of it. It's got 2 holes. It's actually really pretty. This could be, you know, you could do a bracelet with this and then have the beads going like that. You could probably even do a ring out of it, you know, if you do that kind of work. Very pretty. So 16 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter labradorite faceted round beads. Very pretty. Yeah, they've got a lot of sparkle to them. This doesn't, it's, this does have sparkle, but like, although it's not faceted, so that might be, I mean, it's still very pretty though. I love that. These are very pretty. Again, enough to make a bracelet out of. You get a real bang for your buck with this box. Number 17, approximately 5-inch strand of labradorite large chip beads. And these have a really nice finish on them. If you can see it in the, trying to move them around, you can see the different reflections in there. Very pretty. And number 18, 20-piece 6mm check pressed glass star beads, crystal steel blue luster. Gotta love the check glass. These are so pretty. Very pretty. This is a really pretty box. I will say it's different from what we normally receive. I'm gonna mull over it a day or whatever they say and kind of figure out what I want to do, and I'll do some tutorials. I'm not sure of the color I want to add to it yet, because of course I have to add a color or 6 to my bead boxes, because that's just me. So I'm not really sure yet, but you know, you'll be the first to find out when I figure this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bead unboxing, and I will leave the link below, and I will leave the links to all my social media, my Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, and my Pinterest account. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. You have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye.